We'll guide you through how to make website using Blackbox AI. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to learn how to quickly create a website using Blackbox AI without advanced coding skills. Many beginners feel unsure about generating code and running it in Visual Studio Code. To begin this tutorial, click Google Chrome on your home screen to open the browser and wait until it fully loads on your computer. Once the browser is ready, click Search on your Google Chrome browser by selecting the address bar at the top of the window so you can type a website address. Next, type blackbox.ai into the address bar carefully, then press Enter on your keyboard to access the official Blackbox AI website. Once finished loading, you will automatically be taken to the Blackbox AI homepage. After that, click Home in the upper right corner to make sure you are on the main page. Then, click Sign in the upper right corner to access your account. Enter your email address in the field provided, making sure it is correct, then enter your password in the field provided carefully. Click Login to enter your account, and wait until the dashboard appears. After logging in, click New in the upper left corner to start a new project. Next, enter your prompt in the text field, for example, create a website about buying and selling. Then, click the up arrow icon to start creating and wait while Blackbox AI generates the code for your website. Once finished, click the copy icon to copy the code you created. Next, open your Visual Studio Code application on your computer. Click File in the upper left corner, then click New Text File to create a blank document. Paste the code you created in Blackbox AI into the new text file. Then, click File again in the upper left corner and click Save. Enter your file name as desired in the File Name field. After that, click Save as Type. Then select HTML and click Save to save the file in HTML format. Once finished saving, click the file to open it in your browser. The website you created will automatically open, allowing you to review it and see the final result of your generated project.